everyone, this is kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new review and packing video for you featuring the brand new Iconic 2.0 by tokidoki and JuJuBe, and I have it here in the amazing Be Right Back diaper bag backpack from JuJuBe, and I love this style, guys. This bag is just so awesome for tons of different things. Mainly for me, I like to use these bags for the zoo, trips to Disney, theme parks, any long trip that I go on, or if I'm out for a long time during the day. So this bag is actually packed for all three of my kids. I have three boys that are aged 11 months, 4 years old, and 7 years old. So I won't lie, this bag is not packed in a minimalist way because I have it packed for an entire day out with my kids. I'm gonna go ahead and jump right in here. So this is the super cute Iconic 2.0 print. I am personally obsessed with my print placement. I love how much Donatella I have. I even have her on some of the straps, so that's really awesome. This is the front of the Be Right Back. You have a large mommy pocket in the front. You also have a magnetic flat pocket here. You have a tech pocket here. You have a double zipper opening on the front here that goes all the way down on the front of the bag. And I also want to mention, I have this bag packed up with the awesome Be Switched insert as requested by my Instagram family, and if you guys are not following me there, I hope you will. I will leave my information right over here for you guys. You also have this amazing grab handle on the top here that has memory foam in it, and it's super comfortable on the hand and easy to grab. You have a D-ring on each side of there so you can hang this bag on your stroller. You have two insulated bottle pockets, one on each side. On the back, you have two memory foam padded straps that are ergonomic and they're super comfortable. And you also have a padded back here with mesh, so it's a little bit more breathable on your back. Also back here, you have a secret pocket. This pocket holds your change pad and you have a memory foam change pad inside. So that is basically what you have with the Be Right Back on the outside of the bag. And I'm gonna go ahead and jump onto the packing portion. So I guess I'll go ahead and start with the bottle pockets first. On this side here, I have a 12-ounce Swell Traveler bottle. This is filled with water for me. On the opposite side here, I have a cup of water for one of my kids. I don't have anything in this front flat pocket, but if you wanted to, you could actually put your ID card in the front here so that if your bag gets lost, somebody can give it back to you, or you can just put a cute picture of your kids there if you want. In the tech pocket here, I just have my cell phone. I have it standing straight up and down in there, and this is an iPhone 8 Plus, so it fits really great in there. In the mommy pocket, this is one of my favorite JuJuBe mommy pockets, by the way, guys. So in here, I'm actually utilizing every pocket. In the sunglass holder here, I have my sunglasses. On the key fob, I actually have my wallet, which is a Be Charged. In this top pocket here, I have some breath mints. These are actually very cool. They boost your energy and freshen your breath. So these are called Viter Energy if you are curious about them. Down in the mesh pocket below here, I have one small set piece in the brand new Iconic 2.0. It's really cute. In here, I just have some things for myself. I have a little hand cream, chapstick, a mirror, lip gloss, hairbrush, stuff like that. Underneath the sunglass holder here, I actually have my keys down here in that little pocket, and I'm using the small set piece as a wristlet for my keys, and it works really great. That's all that I have in the mommy pocket. On the top of the Be Right Back, you actually have another secret pocket, which I love this one for grabbing things that you need easy access to. In here, I have a couple pairs of sunglasses for my kids. I have a little white pair for my middle son and a blue pair for my oldest. These are Babyators. I love these. Also in here, I have a first aid kit, and I'm using my small set piece in Space Place for that. In here, I just have Band-Aids, ointment, extra Tylenol, ibuprofen, nail clippers, everything that I would need if somebody got a boo-boo. That's all that I had in this pocket. Now let's jump onto the inside. So as I mentioned before, the Be Right Back opens up all the way, kind of like a suitcase. So I'm gonna show you guys that real quick. Opens up all the way like that. The great thing about having the Be Switched in here is that you don't have to worry about all of your things falling out if you have the whole bag opened up like that. But another great thing about it is that you don't actually have to open the bag all the way. You can also just put it about halfway like this, and then you can still access everything that's inside of the Be Switched. So the very first thing I have on top here is the Be Dapper. The Be Dapper is great for tons of different things, guys. So I'm actually using it as a snack bag in here. So I'm gonna show you guys what I have in here. First, I'm gonna go through this side here. You have one long zipper, and in here I just have a few things for feeding the baby. So I have a spoon in here, and I also have a Be Neat that's folded up in my special way, and I will link how to do this right over here for you guys. That's all that I had in there. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what else I have. I have a lot of snacks. This bag holds tons, you guys. So on top here I have an Inno Baby snack tower with rice puffs and wagon wheels for the baby. I also have a little granola bar for him. Under those granola bars I have one for each of my bigger boys, so one there and one here. I also have 2 fruit snacks for them, and they each have their own juice. And these are standing up straight in here, guys. That's how tall it is. And also in there I have a baby food, so this holds a ton. I am so happy with how well that works for food. And we go through literally all those snacks when we are out for a full day, so I need those for the boys. Next, I'm going to go ahead and pull the Be Switched out of the bag so you guys can see how I have it packed up. That is the best way to show you how I have everything sorted in there. So let's go. So this is the interior of the Be Switched, you guys. Also on the very front here, you have a large open deep pocket and another one on the very back that's the same size. But I don't utilize those because it's too difficult to access those when you have it in the Be Right bag. So the only things I'm using is the internal organization, and I love it. It's so perfect, and I really, really hope that they restock these soon so that you guys can get them if you missed out before. So what I have in the very front here, this side actually has 4 pockets that are mesh and elastic, and on the very top here I have a game system for each of my older boys. So over here I have a Nintendo 3DS for my 7-year-old to play, and on this side I have an iPhone 5 and it's loaded with games and educational stuff for him. The very bottom pocket here I actually have a medium set piece, and in here I have some toys for the baby. So I have a little Finanema toy here. It's actually a stroller toy, it's really cool. And then I have another Finanema toy, and then I have one of these really cool newbie teething toys here. So he's still really trying to cut in some teeth, and I need him to get those through. On the other pocket at the very bottom here I have a little pack of formula. I am coming down to the end of my breastfeeding journey, and I am now starting to supplement a little bit to help wean the baby. So that's what I've got in here. And then also on the other side you have bottle pockets on each side here. So I have a baby bottle over here filled with some water for the formula. It's like an 8-ounce bottle. On the opposite side over here I have 3 size 4 diapers that are fit right in that pocket. It's perfect for that. And on the other side of that I have a wipe pouch 30. Better do that with my right hand. There we go. And this is in the new Bolts print that is coming out May 16th. Super cute. I think this looks so perfect with all the Toki. I love it. In the other bottle pocket over here I have a little baggie dispenser for poopy diapers. And then at the very bottom of the Be Switched I have my large set piece here. And in here I have a change of clothes for the baby, just in case. So he has a little t-shirt, a little pair of pants, a pair of socks, and a bib because he is extra drooly these days trying to get those teeth in. And that's all that I had in the Be Switched, guys. And that is my packing video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe while you're here. And I would love if you guys would shop JuJuBe with me. There's still a ton of Iconic 2.0 on the website because it just came out this week. And I would love if you guys would shop through my affiliate link, and I will leave that in the description box below for you. Thanks for watching!